Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am Said Sheikh. What is called the corporate governance? A simple way to answer this question would be that when a group is too large for everyone to be involved in decision making, it creates an entity to facilitate the process. In an association, that entity is the board of directors. Members delegate the bulk of decision making to the board, who then delegates the implementation of the decision to the top management. Governance is the rules and practices by which the board of directors ensures the accountability, fairness, and transparency in the decision making. Good governance is a robust and reliable system for making confident and timely decisions. Good corporate governance gives members confidence in decision-making process and leads to better decisions made by majority, and it ensures builds trust and respect between members and the elected leaders. Some of the most important characteristics of the good governance are that association has an obligation to communicate, to explain, and to answer to its members for the consequence of the decision they made. Members should be able to follow and understand the decision-making process, including how and why a decision was made. Board of Director decisions should be consistent with the relevant legislations, laws, as well as with the association charter and objectives. And the association should implement decisions and follow processes that make the best use of available resources while mitigating risks. The rules and practices by which the board of directors operates determine its governance. And good governance ensures the accountability, fairness, and the transparency. The Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, principle of corporate governance defines corporate governance as involving a set of relationships between a company's management, its board, its shareholder, and other stakeholders. Hence, corporate governance essentially provides the structure through which the objectives of the companies are set, and the means of attaining those objectives and monitoring performance are determined. And good corporate governance should provide proper incentives for the board and the management to pursue objectives that are in the interest of the company and its shareholders, and should facilitate effective monitoring. Thank you.